Today we are going to start chapter number 13 and 14 of class 8 subject English 2, chapter number 13 active and passive voices and 14 adverbs. So first we are going to start active and passive voice. A verb is in the active voice when its form shows, as in sentence 1, that the person or thing denoted by the subject does something, or in other words, it is the doer of the action. The active voice is so called because the person denoted by the subject acts. Definition 2. A verb is in the passive voice when its form shows, as in sentence 2, that something is done to the person or thing denoted by the subject. The passive voice is so called because the person or thing denoted by the subject is not active but passive, that is, suffers or receives some action. Now note the changes from the active voice to passive voice in the following sentences. First one, Sita loves Savitri. Savitri is loved by Sita. The mention is the building the ball. The ball is being built by the mention. And so on, you can see. Next, this is the table. The passive voice is formed with the suitable form of the verb be followed by the past participle. You can see the table: simple present, present continuous, and next we have is the present perfect, simple past, past continuous, past perfect, simple future, can, may, must, etc. plus base. And the next forms are the active voice and the passive voices. So here we come with the exercise 1. Name the verb in the following sentences and tell whether they are in the active or in the passive voice. First one, I see a dark cloud. So here see is the active voice. Second, his command was promptly obeyed. Was obeyed. It is the passive voice. Some of the cargo had been damaged by the sea water. Had been damaged is the passive. Fourth, nothing will be gained by hurry. Will be gained, again passive. A stone struck me on the head. Struck is the active. This letter was posted last night. Was posted, passive. The fridge had been repaired. Has been repaired, passive. The old gentleman takes snuff. Takes, active. The money was lost. Was lost, passive. The letter has just been posted. Has been posted, passive. Exercise 2. Change the following sentence from active voice to the passive voice. First one, the cat killed the mouse. This exercise do in copy. Okay. The cat killed the mouse. The mouse was killed by the cat. The mouse was killed by the cat. The man cut down the tree. The tree was cut down by the man. The tree was cut down by the man. Next, third one, his teacher praised him. He was praised by the teacher. They had videoed the program. The program has been videoed by them. The program has been videoed by them. Rama was making a kite. A kite was being made by Rama. A kite was being made by Rama. My father will write a letter. A letter will be written by my father. I will conquer him. He will be conquered by me. He will be conquered by me. Next, he kept me awaiting. I was kept waiting by him. Saurabh threw the ball. The ball was thrown by Saurabh. He scored 20 runs. 20 runs were scored by him. Now double object. Active, the mayor gave him a reward. Passive, he was given a reward by the mayor. A reward was given to him by the mayor. When verbs that take both a direct and indirect object in the active voice are changed to the passive, one of the object, usually the indirect, becomes the subject of the passive verb, while the other is retained and is passed as the retained object after a passive verb. Okay. Now, next we have exercise 3. Change the following sentence so that the verb in the passive voice. They asked me my name. So, again you are going to write this in your notebook. Do in copy. My name was asked by them. We refused them admission. Admission was refused. You cannot pump the ocean dry. The ocean cannot be pumped dry. They found him guilty of murder. He was found guilty of murder by them. A thunderstorm often turns milk sour. Often milk is turned sour by a thunderstorm. They saw the storm approaching. The storm was seen approaching. Next we have exercise 4. Rewrite the following sentences so that the verb are in the active voice. Not a word was spoken by Latif. Do in copy. Okay. This also do in copy. And this also do in copy. Not a word was spoken by Latif. So, Latif didn't speak a word. Latif didn't speak a word. He was taken to the hospital by his friends. So, this will come in the front. His friends took him to the hospital. Okay, so you are going to write here, his friends took him to the hospital. Next, I was struck by his singular appearance. His singular appearance struck me. Now I am only dictating, you are going to write the answers in your notebook by seeing the video. We shall be blamed by everyone. Everyone will blame us. Alice was not much surprised at this. This did not surprise Alice. He will be greatly surprised if he is chosen. It will greatly surprise him if they choose him. Exercise 5. Write 3 sentences with the verb in the active voice and rewrite them with the verb in the passive voice. The sentences are in the active voice. First one, Rama killed Ravana. Second, smoking will spoil his health. And the third one, it had brought him to the street. These are the active voice. Now passive voice. First one, Ravan was killed by Ram. Second, his health will be spoiled by smoking. Last third one, he had been brought to the street by it. You are going to write this in your notebook, active voice and passive voice. 6th exercise, in the following sentences change the voices. We elected Balu captain. Balu was elected captain. How you are going to write is the Balu was elected captain. Second, I saw him opening the box. He was seen opening the box. We must listen to his words. His words must be listened to. By whom was this jug broken? Who broke this jug? Who broke this jug? Shall I ever forget those happy days? Will those happy days ever be forgotten? So you are going to complete your exercise 2 in your notebook, then 3, 4, 5 and 6. The answers for the exercise 4 I have already told you. Now chapter number 14, adverbs. Now what are adverbs? An adverb is a word which modifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb. That is quickly, very, quite, runs. Okay, these all words. Now here are the kinds of adverbs. Adverb of time, which shows time when the thing have happened. Adverbs of frequency, which shows how often the things happen, frequently, twice. Or adverb of place, which shows where the thing is happened. Adverb of manner, which show how or in what manner the thing is going on. Adverb of degree or quantity, which shows how much or in what degree or to what extent the things are happening. Adverb of affirmation and negation. It means what you want to do or whatever you don't want. Adverbs of reasons, why the things are happened. And interrogative adverbs in the question form. Okay, relative adverbs, which means that relating two things, that where for example, this is the place where I met him first. Okay, now here we have the exercise 1. In the following sentences, first one, underline the adverb and then tell what each modifies. Okay, next, tell second one, tell whether the modified word in the verb an adjective or an adverb. Classify each adverb as an adverb of time, place, manner, degree, etc. So children, I have made the table that here we are going to write the adverbs, then what it modifies the word, and then the kinds of adverb. Is in the modify we are going to write modifies the adjective or the verb. Okay, now first one, I am so glad to hear it. Adverb is so, modifies adjective, glad, kind of verb, it is the adverb of degree. Okay, next, too many cooks spoil the broth. Here adverb is too and it modifies the adjective many, and the kind of adverb is adverb of degree. Next, third one, that is well said. Well is the adverb, modifies the verb said, and it is the adverb of manner. Adverb of manner. Fourth one, once or twice we have met alone. So adverb is once and twice. Okay, it modifies the verb, that is have met, and it is the kind of adverb is the adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency. Okay, next, the railway station is far off. Here far and off, both you are going to write far and off. Now for far, it is the verb is. For far, it is the verb is, and sorry children, this is for this one and this is for this one. Okay, for off it is the verb is, and for far it is the adverb of. Adverb of, and it is the adverb of kind of adverb, it is the adverb of place. Sixth one, I surely accept him tomorrow. The word adverb is surely and modifies the verb expect. It is adverb of manner. Seventh, he could not speak, he was so angry. The word is adverb is so and to. Now it is the adjective angry and modifies and this adverb to only. Okay, and it is the adverb of degree. Next, you are far too hasty. Adverb is far, modifies the adverb to, and it is the adverb of place. Ninth one, I see things differently now. So adverbs are differently and the second one is now. Both modifies the verb see, and first one is the adverb of manner and adverb of time. Next, do not crowd your work so closely together. First is the adverb closely and the second one is so. Both adverbs only. First one is together. Second adverb is the closely. It is the adverb of manner and it is the adverb of degree. Next, we have exercise 2. Form sentences to illustrate the use of following words, first as adjectives and second as adverbs. Okay, so here I am going to only speak the sentences, you are going to do in copy. Okay, now with this word, these all words, I am going to speak the sentences first only of the adverb. All the sentences you are going to write of the adverbs. Okay, so I am going to start first the sentences with the of the adverbs by using these words in each sentence. Okay, so you are going to write the sentences by listening this video in your notebook. Okay, first word is very. Sentence is Lalita is very badly ill. Second is near. He has nearly paid the dues. Third one is ill. Somu speaks ill of his friends. Fourth one only. Only you could do what? Clean. The rope was cut clean through. Long. Have you been here long? Late. The train is an hour late. Early. The bus arrives early. Fast. The horse runs fast. Now I am going to speak the word sentences of the adjective. Okay, children. Now, first word is very. This is the very first time he visits. Second, near. You are too near. Third is ill. She has an ill feeling. Fourth is only. He is the only soldier I know. Fifth one, clean. She wrote on a clean paper. Sixth, long. It was a long journey. 7. Late. The late chairman is living abroad. Now, 8th one, early. It is an early train. 9th, fast. The mud was struck fast to my shoes. So children, you are going to write the sentences. The heading first adverb and the second one is adjective. First you are going to write the sentences of adverb, then the adjective. You have to divide the page in 2. Now we are going to do the exercise 3. Okay. Put the adverbs into the following sentence so as to make sense. First one, the two brothers are alike. The two brothers are nearly. Okay. Next, I came to return a book. I came merely to return a book. They were 3 or 4 boys late. There were only 3 or 4 boys late. I did not want to come. Really, I did not want to come. Okay. Fifth, he invited me to visit him. He often invited me to visit him. I am determined to yield this point. I am determined never to yield this point. So children, you are going to complete exercise 2 in your notebook, and of chapter 14 and of chapter number 13 you are going to complete exercise 2 in your notebook, then 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so complete your work. Thank you.